The Hisense 55U6 Pro. It's like having a whole new world at your fingertips. Imagine walking into a room, and suddenly every little thing comes alive. The colors pop, the contrast is razor sharp, and you can see everything in stunning clarity. That's what this TV does for you. It's not just a screen. It's an immersive experience that wraps itself around you. This 55-inch baby boasts some serious specs, but let's dive into what makes it truly special. First off, we have the Mini-LED backlighting system. What does that mean? In simple terms, it means each pixel can be controlled independently to create a virtually endless range of colors and contrast levels. Think like watching a sunset in an HDR movie versus a candlelit dinner scene in a romantic drama. Now, let's talk about performance. Native 144Hz refresh rate is all the rage among gamers and action fans. This feature ensures that fast-paced scenes stay crystal clear and fluid, meaning you'll never miss out on crucial moments or see blurs during quick cuts. And have you ever wished for a subwoofer built right into your TV? That's exactly what this model delivers. With its deep bass, you're essentially in the middle of the action. Whether it's an explosion, a chase scene, or even just an epic song, the sound becomes almost visceral and transportive. But here's where things get really interesting. With anti-reflection technology, glare-free screens have never looked so good. Whether watching daytime sports or streaming a show in a sunny room, this TV keeps its visual focus sharp. No more squinting at reflections or distractions. One of the most incredible aspects, the Hi-View AI engine. This intelligent system adjusts automatically for whatever you're watching, ensuring every scene is perfectly suited to your viewing experience. Whether it's movies, sports, or even gaming, the TV thinks so you don't have to. The color accuracy and vibrancy are genuinely stunning too. Picked up by Pantone validation, these colors leap off the screen in a way that feels incredibly realistic, from sunlit landscapes to intense skin tones. Beyond all this awesomeness, a sleek design that looks more like an art piece than a TV. The unibody slim profile disappears into any room, so you're only left with the stunning picture on display. Plus, Fire TV seamlessly integrates smart recommendations and personalized suggestions. It knows what you love to watch next. And let's not forget about IMAX Enhanced certification for a true cinematic experience at home. Immersive audio and picture performance come together in a truly breathtaking package. The Hisense 55U6 Pro is more than just a new TV. It's an upgrade that changes the way you engage with your favorite content. With all its incredible features and benefits, owning this TV means stepping into a whole new world of entertainment. Ready to experience it for yourself?